So guys, it's a super windy day today in London, which is why all the boats are out, and we're actually just going to go all the way over there behind me to Canary Wharf to just do a little bit of shopping. Shopping centre that I've never been in before, and they're all connected in different ways, so we're just coming out to the second one, which has a little bit more designery stuff in it, so it should be good.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
We're just in Black Sheep Coffee in one of the underground shopping centres, and it is really cool. Like in here, if you've ever been to Stratford, for example, you'll know how busy it is on the weekends, but this is like dead compared to Stratford. So if you don't like really busy shopping centres, come here. The only disadvantage is that it is underground and you do get that sense of a little bit of claustrophobia, but it's not so bad. So we're just going to go do a little bit more shopping after this pit stop coffee break. One of Craig's favourite things to get since we went to Strasbourg, the Grill aux Pommes. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but he fucking loves it.
So this is the shit right here.
Taste test of the Grill aux Pommes.
Very, very, very good. Very good. It's our TM Cycles. Very, very good. This is the thing when we come to this aisle. Craig's always obsessed with the jams, but I'm too busy looking at the nut butters. Look at the colour. Look at the colour of the vintage marmalade.
I'm looking for my chili kalo rice cakes, but they don't have any. Disappointed. This is the one. This is my favourite cereal. Just got back from Canary Wharf shopping centre, and the purchase of the day was this new hat. So yeah, if you're ever looking for a shopping centre that's less busy than Westfield, and it's got similar shops, it's also got loads of cool places to eat. I mean, tons and tons of places. What I want to do before I go is just do a little taste test of the Lola's cupcake that I got. Now this is my first ever Lola's cupcake, so this is like a first impressions of Lola's cupcakes. So here it is, little yellow lemon cupcake. Oh, at least I think it's lemon. So here we go. I'm wondering if it's like a down in one, or maybe it's 2 bites. It looks like 2 bites to me. Mmm. Gosh, it's really good. It kind of tastes a little bit like a really sweet lemon curd. but not super offensive lemon. It's more a 3 bite to be honest than a 2 bite. I mean, maybe a 4. Doesn't quite taste as fresh as what I thought it would, but it's a 4 bite. Yeah, that was really good. So thanks for watching, guys. If you got to the end of that vlog, make sure you check out my previous 2 ones, and I'm going to be trying posting every single Wednesday for you at 6 o'clock. Keep that consistency. So yeah, see you in the next one.